Hi, this is Evan with High Pro Strategic. Today we're going to be talking about drawing from the holster on a strong side hip carry. So this is the 6-step method that's standard with most law enforcement agencies. So first step is hand on your gun and defeat all retention devices. Second step is straight up and out of the holster. Third step is rock and lock. Fourth step is hands together. Fifth step is punch out. And sixth step is low ready, because you've already engaged the threat and you don't need to go back to the holster. So I'm going to do that again in a fluid motion. Looks something like that.